the first part. I say welcome.
Welcome and welcome to Surviving Earthquakes. Today's headline takes us to Washington, D.C., where the earthquake happened. This tragedy began August 23rd, 2011, where here is what happened when the ground started shaking at Deathly 1. High commandments occurred public schools and downfall Washington. Some teachers thought it was just because kids were jumping up and down, but Principal Dave E. Archer, who was teaching first grade at the time, said that the school should 300 students were quickly boarded to parks away from the buildings. This event was likely caused by moving tectonic plates. Now, rescue teams are coming and helping Washington, D.C. out.
Upside down.
This disaster most impacts Principal David D. Archer and National Caldefa in Washington, D.C. About 500 earthquakes are this hurtful a year. That's more than one a day. This one is different because most earthquakes are 5.8 and this one is 8.9. That's a big difference. In conclusion, people can help by listening to the news.
Bye!